Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You've validated the app and now start promotion immediately. First, lock the primary objective, installs, revenue, or retention, then pick the top 3 user segments you'll target. Create concise creatives, an icon, a 15-second demo video, and a 1:1 screenshot for feeds. Once done, set tracking, install events, a UTM tags, and a conversion funnel. Make sure analytics are live so you can measure every ad dollar and avoid guessing. Now you execute controlled experiments to find what works at scale. Start 3 parallel cohort tests, one for acquisition channel, one for creative, and one for audience segment. Allocate a modest daily budget per test for 7 to 14 days and track CPI, LTV, and ROAS. Once results arrive, raise spend on winners and iterate creatives. If a cohort performs 20% below target, stop it and redeploy the budget. Also expand winning audiences slowly to preserve efficiency. To finish the launch and lock in growth, automate scaling rules that pause losers and increase bids on winners, then reassign budget toward highest LTV segments. Optimize your store listing with ASO keywords and run one a/B test for the headline or screenshots. Finally, monitor retention metrics daily. If installs or conversions suddenly drop, troubleshoot attribution windows, creative fatigue, or broken tracking. Retest pixels and deep links immediately and swap creatives to recover performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.